English poem recitation, second in solo song competition, second in fancy dress competition, and third in English calligraphy. Then comes Miss Asha Thapa, class 2, Raman House, who stood first in English calligraphy and third in drawing competition. Then we have Master Arbaz Ali of Shivaji House, who stood first in Hindi poem recitation and third in fancy dress competition. After Arbaz Ali, we have Master Anmol Rai of Ashoka House, who stood second in English calligraphy and second in Rangoli competition. Action. Then comes Miss Prerna Subha of Tagore House, who stood second in Hindi poem recitation. After Prerna, we have Master Ashutosh Kumar Singh of Shivaji House, who stood third in English poem recitation. And after Ashutosh, we have Rekha Kumari of Tagore House, who stood third in Rangoli competition. Then we come to class 3, Master Vijay Singh of Raman House, who stood first in English poem recitation, second in Rangoli competition, and third in drawing competition. Then we have Miss Shivani of Ashoka House, who stood first in fancy dress competition and third in Rangoli competition. Then we have Master Sagar Thapa, Shivaji House, who stood first in English calligraphy. And after that we have Master Shravan Subha of Tagore House, who stood second in English calligraphy. From class 4, we have Miss Dipanshi of Tagore House, who stood second in English extemporary. Then we come to class 5, Master Siddhant Tamang of Tagore House, who stood first in English calligraphy and second in Rangoli competition. Then we come to Miss Jayashri of Tagore House, who stood first in Hindi poem recitation. Then we have Miss Priya Baso of Shivaji House, third in Hindi poem recitation. And the last participant of primary section who is to be awarded is Miss Priya Pandey of Ashoka House, third in Rangoli competition. After primary section, we have secondary and senior secondary section. And let me tell you that because of the paucity of time, we are just awarding first prize over here. The first in secondary section is Anita Gurung, who stood first in Antakshari and first in paper reading competition of Ashoka House. Then we have Rini Vaipi, who stood first in Antakshari from Ashoka House. Then we have Varun Walsen of class 10, who stood first in elocution contest. After Varun, we have Neetu Latwal, who stood first in English storytelling competition and paper reading competition from Ashoka House. Then we have Jyoti Kumari, class 8, Ashoka House, who stood first in Kavita Lekhan and greeting card making competition. After that, we have Pawan Hans Badwal, class 9, from Shivaji House, who stood first in Kavita Lekhan competition. Then we have Tanya Goswami, class 8, Shivaji House, who stood first in quiz current affairs. In the quiz current affairs itself, we have Anubhav Chaudhary of class 10, Shivaji House, who stood first. Then we have science quiz competition, and the team who won it was from Raman House, and the candidates are and the participants are S. Ajiz, class 12, Arjun T. Madhu, class 11, Arpan Kumar, class 8, and Munni Kumari of class 8. Then we have Rangoli on floor competition, and the team which won it was Tagore House, and the participants are like this: Neelu Mishra, class 11, Sakshi Bhandari, class 7, and Anju, class 8. Then we have two more prizes of the best readers, one from secondary section and one from senior secondary section. From secondary section we have Neha Kaki of class 7, Raman House. And from senior secondary section we have Sahil Sharma, class 10, Tagore House. Now after these CCA prizes, I would like to request Matthews ma'am to give away 2 checks of rupees 5,000 each, awarded by Government of India, Department of Science and Technology, as Inspiration Award to Miss Jayashree Seth of class 7 and Master Sahil Sharma of class 10. After this, I would like to invite Master Hariom Sharma of class 11 to receive a certificate of participation for participating in IRIS National Fair in Chandigarh for his project titled Hydrogen Fuel Cells under the able guidance of Mr. Ajay Sagar, PGT Physics. It was just one of the best 104 projects all over India. Now, and here comes the most awaited moment for the students and house masters and the associates to know the CCA champion and the runner-ups. So the CCA runners for the session 2011-12 is Shivadi House with 124 points. I would like to request the house master, associates and the captains to come and receive the trophy. And the CCA winner is Ashoka House with 135 points. House masters, associates and captains, please receive the trophy. It is a matter of unbound joy that 3 of our staff members have recently completed 25 successful years in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I would request Matthews ma'am to present the mementos as token of love and appreciation. They are Mrs. Nirmala Pradhan, PRT, Mrs. G.D. Sharma, PRT, and last but not the least, our UDC, Mr. T.P. Sharma. Thank you, ma'am. That's all in prizes. Now over to our anchors, Miss Nirupma and Miss